Students, next we take up oxymoron. हिंदी में इस अलंकार को विरोधाभास अलंकार कहते हैं। शब्द विरोधाभास शोज कि इस अलंकार में एक ही व्यक्ति या वस्तु के विरोधी गुणों का वर्णन होता है। We come across the opposite words in a sentence. Just as we have, he is regularly irregular. In the same sentence, we have two opposite words, regularly, irregular. So, it is an example of oxymoron, figure of speech. Here in another example we have, this is an open secret. The word open and secret, they are opposite words showing contrast qualities. So, we see that a sentence in which we have the use of antonyms or the opposite words, that becomes a befitting example of oxymoron. We see another example here. Life is bitter sweet. The word bitter and sweet, we have these two opposite words which show oxymoron, figure of speech. We have another example. He is the wisest fool in the group. Wisest and fool, they are the opposite words showing virodhabhas alankar. He is an innocent criminal. We take up this as another example of oxymoron, figure of speech. Here you see, students, there are some other examples which show the use of oxymoron, figure of speech, विरोधाभास अलंकार के उपयुक्त उदाहरण ये हैं। धन्यवाद।